moment of inertia. Moment of inertia is denoted by I, capital letter I. So in generally, moment of inertia. So when we discuss about the inertia, inertia is a key concept of Newton's Newton's first law. This is the key concept of Newton's first law. So just if you recall about this, so for the Newton's first law is also called law of inertia. This is law of inertia. Newton's first law is also called law of inertia. So what do you mean by exactly inertia? Inertia is inability. Inertia is the resistance. So resistance offered by the body to change its state of position, to change its state of uniform motion, to change its state of direction. Okay. So inertia is what? Inertia, we can say this is inertia is resistance offered by the body, resistance offered by the body, so to change its state of first one is position. Okay, position. Next one is uniform motion. Next one is direction. It's a to change its direction. So from this we discussed about in the previous sessions. So this which explains about this position means what? That is what which opposes the changes in a position is what? Inertia of rest. Okay. Next one is inertia of motion. Okay. So next one is inertia of direction is the inertia of direction. So now the thing is moment of inertia. What do you mean by moment of inertia? Moment of inertia is this is about a body is moving with a translatory motion. Means what? It has the linear motion. So for the moment of inertia is, so when a body, just you take about this any body, so which is rotating with respect to a particular axis with the angular velocity omega. So its radius is, just you take it as it's a r. So moment of inertia is opposition offered by the body. Here also opposition offered. Okay. So just to imagine that when a body is traveling, okay, when a body is rotating, so with respect to its fixed axis with uniform angular velocity, so the opposition offered by the body, the changes in uniform velocity, the changes in rotation motion. So moment of inertia can be defined as this. That's what. So the opposition offered, so offered by the body, so the changes in rotation motion, okay, of the body. So rotation motion of the body means what? So the changes in angular velocity. Body was traveling with a constant angular velocity, but if the changes to be happened, so the opposition offered by this body is called, what is it? It's a moment of inertia. Well, in translational motion, how do you measure the inertia in so the Newton's first law? So how do you measure the inertia? So inertia is mass is measure of inertia. Heavier the mass, heavier the inertia. So here in this one is that, so this is when a body is with a higher the moment of inertia, so it is very difficult, or it is more torque is required to bring to rest position. So higher the moment of inertia, then higher, so higher the torque required. Torque required. We discuss about its torque. Okay, so then higher the torque required. Torque required. We can say this one. So the moment of inertia I is equals to, what is the condition? mr square. M stands for mass and r is the perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation. Mass of body. Next one, this is perpendicular distance from axis of rotation. Axis of rotation is the case. Just moment of inertia is opposition offered by the body. So the changes in rotation are the changes in uniform angular velocity. Okay, so this is about moment of inertia.